This is Wilhelm. He's such a sweetheart. I mean, this dog is extremely sweet, affectionate, submissive. He's just an absolute doll. He's wagging his tail. Kiss, kiss. Hi, Mickey. How are you, honey? We're going to cat test him here in just a minute. Hi, Wilhelm. He's such a good boy. That's such a good boy. Aww.
Can I see Mickey? Mickey. Mickey. Hi, Mick. Hi, Mick. Hi, Mickey. Yeah, I'm Mickey.
Hi, Wilhelm. Come here, Bubba. We'll let Mickey out. Come over here for a second. Come over here for a second. Oh, come over here for a second. Good boy. He's just so mellow. You can lay down. Are you kitty friendly? Are we kitty friendly? Huh? Go and kiss the camera. Go ahead. I'm gonna back up a little bit. Mickey doesn't seem to be afraid. I don't know if Mickey would even come out. Aww. Look at paw. Give paw. Go see kitty kitty. Oh, go see kitty kitty. I was just not even interested. Hi, honey. Oh, sweet boy. Hey, sweet boy. That's sweet, honey. His teeth look pretty good. I mean, I think he's under 2. He's, you know, probably 18 months or something. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey. Hi, honey. Wilhelm is not even interested in Mickey. Oh, there I discovered something.
Yeah, there's Mickey. Say hi, Mick.
Hi, Mick.
Hi, Mickey.
He's wagging his tail the whole time. Yeah, I mean, Mickey doesn't appear to be afraid of him, or...
Yeah, you know Mickey, if he was afraid,
I know.
he'd be there in a heartbeat.
Matt? Did he scare you?
Oh, right that thing, Mama. Come on, Mick, Mick. Come on, back out. Wilhelm. I scared him when you slapped him.
And he sits down, which is nice, relaxing. Wilhelm, down, down, down. Wilhelm, down. Good boy. I know, I see you. Always give him paw. He always gives paw. Down. Wilhelm. Down, down. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Slay down. Good boy. He knows multiple commands, and he's really compliant. Now, whether he really is truly cat friendly, we'll see.
Go see him, Mick.
Mick says, I don't want to get to know him that quick. Open his gate, he might feel he's got to escape. Mickey. I think when Mickey hissed at him and pawed at him, you know, it was freaked him out.
Scared him more than anything.
Yeah. I mean, because if he was really cat aggressive, he would have been lunging at him. I mean, you know, we've done this hundreds of times.
Yep. And Mickey would be showing.
Let me out of here.
Ninja's the ninja master. He knows how to take care of himself. He knows when they're bad or good. Thank you, Nick.
Which is nice to see him just chill, you know. And with Kitty in the background there.
What's up, Wilhelm? Maybe if I lay here quietly, you won't even know I'm here.
Wilhelm, what you doing, Bubba? What are you doing, sweet boy?
I'm not quite sure.
Did he hit that with his butt? Open it. Wilhelm, he's over there just thumping his tail. He just started responding to the new name. Yeah, I think we have a cat-friendly boy. Mickey is just taking a turn over this way. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Mickey. I felt a little scared about him because he got up. He just rolled over on his back. How cute! How cute is that? Yeah. Mick. Mickey. Hi. Hi, sweet boy. Wilhelm. Sometimes I call him Willie. Willie. Wilhelm. He's a good boy. I think we're going to have an adoption. I do. I think these people are going to want you so bad, Wilhelm. He's a good kid. He is just a sweetie. Okay, I'm going to try to get him out. I'm going to stand up.
Got something wrong.
Okay.